Dear students, welcome to you all in mathematics class again. Today we are going to discuss about some algebra topic, which is division of algebraic expressions. This topic is discussed in chapter 4 in your textbook, and we are going to solve the problems from exercise 4.2. And this is the lecture 1 on division of algebraic expressions. The topics we are going to discuss today are rules of division, uh, division of a monomial by a monomial, and division of a polynomial by a monomial. So first, we are going to discuss about rules of division, rules of exponents. Rules of exponents can be written in this mathematical way, like a to the power m divided by a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n. And here m and n are any integral numbers, non-negative integral numbers, and as a corollary we can get a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Notice that a is not equal to 0. The next topic is rules of division of expression with sign. We'll see that positive term divided with positive term equal to positive term. Negative term divided by negative term is equal to positive term. Positive term divided by negative term is equal to negative term, and negative term divided by positive term is equal to negative term. You can see that these four rules are very similar with the rules for multiplications. Now, we are going to see how to divide a monomial by a monomial. And before that, we have to know what monomial is. So, our question is, what is a monomial? An expression having a single term and non-negative integral exponent is a monomial. That is, you can say that a, a to the power 7, b to the power 8 is monomial because uh, any term with non-negative integral exponent is a monomial. And how to divide a monomial with a monomial? If a monomial is divided with another monomial, then the division of coefficient is done by arithmetic rule, and division of algebraic symbols is done by indicial rule of division. What does that mean? Let's go for an example. For example, we will pick a math from exercise 4.2 of your textbook, and the problem is problem number 2. Divide the first expression by the second expression, 45 a to the power 4 and 9 a square. Here first expression is 45 a to the power 4, which is a monomial, and second expression is 9 a square, which is also a monomial because there are single terms in the expressions. Now for solution we will write that 45 a to the power 4 divided by 9 a square, that is first term, first monomial divided by second monomial, and this will be we will separate this expression or fraction in two parts. In first part we will write the division of coefficients, and in the second part we will be writing the algebraic symbols. So in the first part we will write 45 divided by 9, and in the second part we will write a to the power 4 by a square. And when we will divide 45 by 9, we will get 5 into, when we will divide a to the power 4 by a to the power 2, like this, 4 minus 2 will become 2. So we have written 5a square. For another example, we can take this. Problem 4. Divide the first expression by the second expression. Here first expression is minus 28x power 4 y cube z square, and second expression is 4x y square z. So when uh, we we can see that here first expression is a monomial because there is only one term here, and all the exponents of these variables are integers and non-negative numbers. And here 4, 3, 2, they are non-negative, and here exponents are x to the power 1, y square, and z to the power 1, which are non-negative integers. And there is only one term in each of the monomials. So for this kind of math, we have to write like this. First, we have to write minus 28x power 4 y cube z square here at the top of a fraction, as denominator we will write 4x y square z, and then we will be separating these components here. Like first we will write the coefficients minus 28 by 4, then we will write the variables like this. Here x to the power 4, and under x to the power 4 we will write x from the denominator. Y cube, under y cube we have to write y square from the denominator, and here z square will come here, and under z square we have to write z here. And then when we will be uh, dividing, this part will go with arithmetic division, like 4 sevens are 28, and for sign rule plus and minus the different sign, so we will get negative sign here, and 4 sevens are 28, so we will get 78. When we divide x power 4 by x, we will get 4 minus 1, which is 3. If we divide y cube by y square, then we will get 3 minus 2, that is 1, so we will get y to the power 1. And if we divide z square and z, then 2 minus 1 equal to 1, so we will get z here. So minus 7x cube yz is the answer here. In this portion of our lecture, we will be discussing division of a polynomial by a monomial. And on the first subtopic, we will discuss about what is polynomial. A polynomial is an expression consisting of one or more than one terms, and where exponents of the variables are non-negative integers. So, for example, 2x square y cube minus 3xy plus 5xy to the power 5 is a polynomial. Here you can see there are three terms here, so this is a polynomial. First term is 2x square y cube, and second term is minus 3xy, and third term is plus 5x y to the power 5. So what is actually terms in a these is first term, and this is the second term, and this is the third term. They are connected with plus and minus signs here. And look at these expressions: 3x cube y to the power minus 1, or y to the power negative 1, or y inverse 1, you can say that. 3x cube y to the power minus 1, you can say also 3x cube y inverse 1, and you can see uh, 3x cube y to the minus 1 minus 4xy. this expression is not a polynomial because here we have a negative power, and for polynomial the power should not be negative. And another expression is here like y minus 7x square y to the power half minus 3xy. You can see in this term and in this term there are no non-negative, no fractional power or negative power. But in this term we have got a fractional power. So this expression is not a polynomial. So for polynomial, we have to get an expression which will contain more than one term, and in each term we will get non-negative integers as the powers of the variable. Now, how to divide a polynomial by a monomial? And now we know what polynomial is and also know what a monomial is. If a plus b plus c is a polynomial expression and d is a monomial, then you can see that a is a term, b is a term, and c is a term. Let it be like this, and d be a monomial. Then the rule is while we divide a plus b plus c divided by d, then we will get a plus b plus c divided by d. At the numerator we will write the dividend, at the denominator we will write the divisor, and we will distribute the divisor among the terms of the dividend. So we will write a by d plus plus will come from here, sign of b, plus b by d, and then we will take sign of c plus c by d. So if there were minus here, we would put a minus here. So a by d, b by d, c by d. So the working rule is first we have to divide the first term with the divisor, then we have to divide the second term with the divisor, and then we have to divide the third term with the divisor, and so on. By doing this and then taking the algebraic sum of these of the quotients, we will get the result of polynomial divided by a monomial. So we are going to watch an example, problem 11 from your textbook exercise 4.2. Divide the first expression by the second expression. Here, as the first expression, we are given a polynomial, that is 15x cube y cube plus 12x cube y square and minus 12x power 5 y power 3. So this is the polynomial we have got here, and the monomial is 3x square y square. So when we divide this polynomial by the given monomial, we have to write like this. The dividend will be appeared as the numerator and the divisor will be the denominator of this fraction. Now we will distribute the divisor among the terms of the dividend, that is 15x cube y cube divided by 3x square y square. We have distributed x square y square everywhere. 12x cube y square will be here, 3x square y square, and 12x power 5 y cube we will have to write 3x square y square under 12x power 5 y cube. So as a result, we will get 3 and 15. Dividing by these in arithmetic rule, we will get 3 5s are 15, so we will get 5. And indicial rule or rule of index will give us x cube minus x square will give us x, y cube divided by y square, that is 3 minus 2 will 1. So y cube divided by y square will give us y. Here we have got a plus because in the second term we have got a positive number, a positive term, and as a denominator we have got a positive term here, 3x square y square. So dividing 12 by 3 we will get 4, 3 4s are 12, and when we divide x cube by y square we will get 3 minus 2, that is 1. So we will write only x here, and 2x y square and y square will be cancelled, that is y to the power 0, which is 1. We don't have to write 1 here, and here 12 by 3 will give us 4. X power 5 by x square will give us x cube, because 5 minus 2 is 3, and y cube divided by y square will give us y. So I hope you can understand this math. Uh, Now it's the time for CW and SW. So this was the class of today. I hope you will solve, you will do your CW and SW with a great seriousness, because at home we have to study now seriously, and we have to fight with the COVID situation, and we have to win. So thank you, and hopefully you will do your job very carefully. Thank you.